Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Physiotrendz. This is me, Physio and in this video I'm going to show you all how to perform MET for upper trapezius muscle. Now guys, if you are new to this channel and you don't know basics about MET, what is reciprocal inhibition, what is autogenic inhibition, then you must watch this video first. Alright, so upper trapezius muscle mainly we consider is over this side of the neck, which is the upper part of the trapezius muscle, and this muscle is very much prone to get tightness or spasm because of overactivity of this muscle. And now you want to try MET for this muscle, then what you can do is, for autogenic inhibition, the concept is that we are going to contract the same muscle and hold it for certain duration of the time and let it relax, right? So for that, I'm going to show you on myself how to perform it, but you can also perform it passively on the patient, but the technique is going to be the same. So what you can do for the autogenic MET technique for the upper trapezius muscle is that first is with one hand you can give resistance to the neck for the same side flexion. Like let's say for example I want to try to stretch or give MET to the right side upper trapezius muscle. I will give resistance to the right side flexion with one hand, and with another hand I am going to oppose the elevation of the same side. Okay, now why is that so? Because both the places are the attachment for the upper trapezius muscle, and we are trying to contract this muscle with resistance, which is what we do in the autogenic inhibition technique. Now you can hold it for 30 seconds to 60 seconds and relax the muscle. Mechanism behind that we already know. So this is the technique how we can perform the autogenic inhibition for upper trapezius muscle. For reciprocal inhibition technique, we will be doing completely opposite of this. What we are going to do is with one hand we are going to oppose or resist opposite side of the side flexion, because we are trying to contract the opposite side of the muscle group, and another hand we are going to try to oppose or resist the depression movement rather than going for the elevation. So you resist the depression movement, resist the opposite side of the flexion and hold it for 30 to 60 seconds. That will be reciprocal inhibition technique of MET for upper trapezius muscle. Now I hope you have understood this technique. If you are performing it on yourself, I would call it as a self MET, like a self stretching. If you are performing on your patient, it is obviously MET. If you still have any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel Physiotrendz.